From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A very good afternoon to those of you tuning in. I'm student meteorologist Jake Rowe here from the Campus Weather Service in the first Friday afternoon communication shift of the semester. So let's take a look at those weather headlines. We have temperatures rising above those seasonable conditions, actually going to be above average for this weekend into the mid-40s as we look out towards Sunday. We'll talk about that in a little bit. We have some unsettled weather arriving by late Sunday evening, unfortunately, and it's going to be a little bit of a wet start to the work week, and we'll take a look at that in just a little bit. But for now, I want to draw your attention to these beautiful conditions. I'm going to step out of the shot here because it is absolutely wonderful outside. Temperatures right around 34 degrees if we look at our live conditions right now over Beaver Stadium. Those dew points are going to be at 18 degrees, and it feels like 23 degrees out there, primarily because we have a pretty gusty west-southwest wind at 17 miles an hour right now, but otherwise we're looking at 10-mile visibility. Alrighty, so let's take a look at those temperatures. Du Bois is going to be at our cold spot right now, 37 degrees. Otherwise, out to our west, a little bit chillier, but if we look out to our southeast, unsurprisingly, Philadelphia with our warm spot at 41 degrees right now. So let's take a look at those wind gusts. We have a nice pocket of pretty strong winds up in Williamsport right now at 14 miles an hour. But if we take a look back at our portion of the state, we do have a region of a little bit stronger winds. Stormstown reporting 4 miles an hour out of the southwest right now. Otherwise, another strong pocket of winds out in Du Bois at 18 miles an hour. So it's rather gusty across the Commonwealth, and we'll draw that picture out a little bit. We could see that again on the western portion of the state here in Scranton at 13 miles an hour, again out of the southwest. Otherwise, there's not much in the means to look at in terms of radar and satellite. We have a couple clouds moving through out of our southeast, but otherwise generally clear skies. You can see all of western into central PA, nice clear skies out there today. So we're really not talking much in the means of clouds. Otherwise, let's take a look at that future radar. For this evening, if you're heading out, we're going to have around 31 degrees in State College this evening. Those clouds out to our east, but otherwise very nice conditions as we're going out this evening. Not too cold yet unless you're not a huge fan of the freezing temperatures. But out to our west even, nice clear skies all throughout the Commonwealth, and we'll draw that out a little bit further into Saturday. So this is going to be mid-afternoon Saturday at 3:30 p.m. 39 in State College, so a little bit cooler by the time we get to the mid-afternoon hours and we start seeing these clouds move in from the west. Otherwise, some warmer temperatures down in Pittsburgh at 40, but some pretty thick cloud cover as we move through, and I'll step back a little bit, and we're going to watch this draw out a little bit into Saturday at 10 o'clock, where we start seeing a little bit of pockets of precipitation begin to move through. That's not reaching our area yet. We start to see those cloudy conditions late Saturday into Sunday morning, and that will finally overspread throughout the state. We'll have some mostly cloudy skies on Sunday, but you see these light pockets of precipitation. That's going to get a little bit heavier as we look further into our forecast. So let's take a look at today. High of 41 degrees, absolutely sunny skies out there today, so take advantage of it. The west wind at 8 to 10 miles an hour. And looking at this evening, going to be a little bit chillier. Lows around 27 degrees, so dropping a little bit below freezing in your evening commutes. Otherwise, mostly clear skies with a calmer wind out of the west at 5 miles an hour. So let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. We're looking at Saturday right now. Highs in the mid-40s with partly sunny skies. And of course, we saw those clouds are going to begin to move through Sunday. Highs around 47 degrees, and then Sunday night into Monday, is going to where we're going to be seeing some light showers begin to move through, and those showers will overtake the area on Monday and finally begin to taper off midday on Tuesday, and those temperatures will finally fall back down as we look out into mid next week. Otherwise, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for tuning in. I'm student meteorologist Jake Rowe. Have a fantastic weekend, and if you need any other updates on social media and whatnot, be sure to follow us at PSU Weather. Have a great weekend.